Hello, I have been busy again, so today I'm unboxing the stuff I got in the last 2 or maybe 3 weeks. They are Skeleton, CD and CD plus DVD version, Henry's Fantastic, and newest Rebirth. I'm waiting for All About Super Junior DVD and photobook preview, and so let's start. First is the CD regular version. So this is the cover, the back, the side, and let's start with this one. I really like the CD. And the back, there's a skeleton, and here the CD. So let's see the, well, it's not like a photo book, but it's nice. It's like it's not that thin paper. So this, there's only like a leaflet, and it has the songs Skeleton and Wonderland. And here's Skeleton again with the credits. So that's all for the CD. In this album I got this card. It's a pretty nice card. And the back, so that's the CD version.